Now that you've created your Google site, what can you do? Well, you need to know about some of the buttons that are on here. When you first create a site, all that you have is one page. How you need to think of a website is that it's like a book, and it's composed of many, many different pages. The pages can be on top, kind of like a cover, or pages can be nestled into other pages. I call them subpages. When you first create your site, all you have is one page, and that's your home page, and you can see here it says home. Let's take a look at some of these buttons in the top right. The button that shows a pencil, if you hover over it, you see that it says edit page. This is your edit button to put your page into edit mode. The page next to it looks like a piece of paper with a plus sign. That's how you create a new page. And then your more button here, if you click on it, it brings down a drop-down menu that gives you many different options, and we'll talk about some of those options in a little bit. First thing that I want you to just do is, or that you can do, is if you click on the edit button, I just want you to see what happens when you see edit. Notice that you get a bunch of options here that look just like when you are working in a Google Doc. You can change the font, the style of it, you can change the size of it, you can add some different elements like, giving your letters bold, you can change the color of your text, you can change the background color behind your text, you can add links, you can add different bullet points, you can change the alignment of your words or typing. Up here you can see you can insert different things, format different things, insert a table, and change the layout of the content of the page. One of the things is that although right here if I highlight the title home, I can change the name of my page, but what it will not let me do is I cannot change the font or the size of that. But I'm just going to change this title to I Love Google. Now, if I click down into what's called my content box, you can tell that you're in edit mode because first you have all these buttons that have shown up, but also you can see a box outline that outlines your content area. This is where you would put your information if you're going to insert videos or pictures or if you're going to type something. Right now my font is Georgia and it's a size 10. So if I just type something and I could say, I love Google, it gives me many different mediums to express myself. Now I can do lots of different things. I can highlight my whole sentence and I could go up here and I could change the size of it. Say I want it to be 18. Say that I just want to change the Google. So if I highlight just the word Google, say I want to change that to a red color. Okay, you can do different things like that. Now to save what you've edited, you just click on Save. Now you have edited a page. We've talked about some of the buttons.